Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here with more crypto news on a rainy day. Ethereum's 2.0 hits another milestone. Shiba on the rise. Crypto meets stocks and Tether freezes more USDT. But before we get to the news, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so we can keep on growing the crypto adoption. Ethereum 2.0. Total value locked in Ethereum hits $50 billion milestone. Finally, it is the year 2022, the year where the long-awaited upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 is expected to happen. Ethereum devs are no doubt working tirelessly to meet this deadline, but there's no telling if the space will really see the move to 2.0 this year. However, there have been a number of milestones hit of the great merge, and the network just needs another one. Ethereum reaches 50 billion stake. The amount of Ethereum stake ahead of 2.0 has been on a steady rise since the upgrade was first announced. It takes 32 ETH to become a node validator, but those who do not have 32 ETH have been able to stake by using staking pools, usually provided by cryptocurrency exchanges. Given this, the number of validator nodes operated on the Ethereum network has surged exponentially. Last year, July, the Ethereum community celebrated the milestone of 6.6 million ETH staked on the network, accounting for about 5% of total ETH supply staked. Now, less than 6 months later, this number has grown about 50%, and there are now 9 million ETH currently staked ahead of Ethereum 2.0. There are now a total of 9,015,586 ETH staked in the ETH 2.0 contract address, and the number is growing by the day. The value of the ETH locked on the network has now surpassed the $50 billion mark for the first time, a significant milestone the digital asset. The number of validator nodes on the network has since surpassed 222,000 and continues to grow as more nodes are added. More and more Ethereum getting staked, more and more Ethereum getting burned. It is just a formula for the price to keep on going up. Ethereum whale buys 58.9 million Shiba Inu amid Robinhood listings. Now there's a lot of tweets going around, not making this rumor as safe as we want. The one says the CEO is not putting any more money into cryptocurrency. Does the CEO of Robinhood already have the Shiba to get it listed? Or is it just a rumor to calm the markets? An Ethereum whale with over 3.7 million in assets on its wallet has made a hefty investment in the meme-inspiring cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. Shortly after a popular business account on social media claimed Robinhood is set to list Shiba as early as February. According to whale monitoring resource 𝙏𝙗𝙧, the Ethereum whale moved to buy 58.9 million Shiba, then with around 1.9 million, while the meme-inspired cryptocurrency price was surging after rumors of the Robinhood listing started circulating. As you can see this tweet from 𝙏𝙗𝙧 showing the massive buy. Shiba Inu fetch a 50% gain on Robinhood listing rumor and bullish chart pattern. Shiba Inu seems to be preparing for a bullish breakout as a falling wedge pattern begins to form. The price of Shiba has been trending lower inside the area defined by two contracting trend lines, while accompanying a decline in trading volume. That shows that investors have been less concerned about the downtrend. As a result, falling wedges typically provide an ideal springboard for an upside break once the price closes above the structure's upper trend line. On Thursday, Shiba showed signs of following a similar topside break. Notably, the token briefly closed above the falling wedge upper trend line, hitting an intraday high of 0.00000329. The upside move raised anticipation that Shiba would continue its trend higher. In the coming sessions, with very trading analysts noting that an ongoing bullish retracement across the crypto market would further boost the altcoin's upside, the analyst said. With the entirety of the crypto market seeing strong bullish move, it's to be expected that Shiba will follow. This token is currently trading near the top resistance of the pattern, so breakout might occur soon. Look for a daily close above the resistance. Now that's a lot of news showing and indicating that Shiba is going to move up and has a lot of potential to keep on growing in value. FTX US and Bitstamp US are working to offer stock trading services. Now, stock trading services on exchanges, we've seen Binance started it and then taken it down in the country where I am. But I would love this opportunity. Crypto exchanges are looking for ways to expand their domains, and it seems that the blockchain space is no longer enough. Now, the US subsidiaries of FTX and Bitstamp would be about to start offering their customers support for equity trading. According to a report from Bloomberg, both exchanges are fine-tuning details to enter the world of traditional finance. If their plans come to fruition, both FTX and Bitstamp would offer services diverse enough for their customers to concentrate a significant amount of their wealth under their custody. Well, I'll be one of those customers. Crypto meets stocks. It is unclear whether both platforms want to apply to become stock exchanges or brokers. However, it is important to note that although both requires a tedious regulatory process, the general consensus is that it is easier to be a broker, like Robinhood, than an exchange, like Nasdaq. Both FTX and Bitstamp has signaled their interest in penetrating the stock market in the past, so the reports confirm speculation about the business model the exchange wanted to adopt. In an interview shared by Bloomberg, Robert Zagota, CEO of Bitstamp USA, indicated that the exchange was interested in offering stock trading options, but his words made it apparent that it was all merely exploratory. The stock market is a very competitive space, and there are some very significant players in it. We have to be convinced that we have a right to win in this space. He said that, should he decide to expand, Bitstamp could focus on partnerships and questions to speed up the regulatory process. For its part, FTX took a more direct and aggressive approach. In a tweet on January 11, 2022, FTX US CEO Brett Harrison asserted that the stock market was a priority for the company. We're hard at work on stocks. Features we're planning for day one: live BBO and historical candles, stock screening search functionalities, basic fundamentals, and portfolio performance tracking. Well, I would love to be able to trade stocks on a crypto exchange, because the options and the way of trading it is different than trading it on a stock exchange. But we have to see what they'll be bringing and what it looks like before we'll know for sure. What's your opinion on stock trading on a crypto exchange? Leave me your comments and concerns down below. Tether freezes over 150 million worth of USDT stablecoin. Tether has been one of the biggest question marks in crypto in recent years, and that hasn't changed as adoption has grown. Decentralization has been a hot topic, and while the world itself isn't mentioned once throughout, Satoshi Nakamoto's Bitcoin white paper. It is a core identity that has been latched onto Bitcoin and crypto in general since near inception. Of course, decentralization is the core component of just one of many question marks around Tether. However, this week the spotlight is just on that, as Tether announced that roughly 160 million worth of stablecoin USDT would be frozen. Let's look at what we know. Tether faces scrutiny around decentralization. Three Ethereum-based USDT addresses holding north of 150 million were frozen this week, according to Tether officials, as the blockchain cited the move due to a request from a law enforcement. The blockchain has now blacklisted over 560 addresses since November 2017. It was the first blacklisting maneuver from Tether in 2022. There's one part in this that stands out, and it is a request from law enforcement. So they're not just freezing addresses, they should have enough proof and be convinced before they'll freeze any address, in my opinion. Tether representatives have previously stated that through the freezing of addresses, Tether has been able to help recover stolen funds by hackers or are compromised, leading to heated debates in the crypto community, one that has largely embraced decentralization over what degree of power blockchain authorities should be able to wield over the network. Long-time crypto loyalists are, generally speaking, not ecstatic about Tether's level of control of the market, even if the end result is to replace funds that were lost due to the actions of malicious bad actors. Furthermore, recent US government scrutiny over the likes of stablecoins, notably USDT and USDC, have arguably led to sustained growth or more decentralized alternatives, namely USD and DAI, the third and fourth largest stablecoins in the market. Now, if they have a reason to freeze it, and it's funds that's been stolen or used for the wrong kind of things, why not? Tell me what's your thoughts on it. Common concerns down below. Have a great one and enjoy your crypto gains.